What is good, ladies and gents? Day 182 of backtesting until I am profitable. Let's go. Get some version. So this is the weekly. We've got some weekly lows. Go to the daily. I think it could probably go lower. NFP Friday, by the way. So this could probably be a data low. We're in an hourly fair value gap. So this is I think the 5 minutes already dropping. So I'd like to see move to this high then. The market failed to reach that one there. But how did we move from all the way $9.30 is here? What is this high? Drops, replaces high, takes out this high here and here, creates an inversion here. I think you can sell from here to here, 100 to 20 handles. Have some relatively equal lows here. Pre-market high that I'd like to see get run. Now you can see that the high here has been run as I wanted to see it get run. Now it lives behind this version. I'd like to set it from. How's the 5? How's the 15? How's the 1 hour? Okay, I'd like to set it to here, or at least a discount gap, probably here. Okay, very big stop by the way. How 100 handles? Okay, so this is where I'm going to break even this 5 minute low here. So 145 times 2. Bro, I hadn't started yet. Oh, just clicking the buttons, you're trying to play some stuff, and then price runs all the way. And check the 15. It's an extreme jump. It retraces lower, creates a good inversion that I'd like to enter around. Let's take a buy like this, put it here. As a retracement into this 15-minute gap, I mean, fair enough. This is 302 times 2. That's 600, bro. That means 1. Direct stop, bro. We can see the potential entry here. It looks like it's going higher. Price drops to this here. There is no sweep, then that's the problem. So how's the next macro is not looking really good. Is this low here? Let's see if we can get that. Looks like it's split bearish. Now we're in the 4-hour here. So I'd like to see a high get run, but then price ended up running this pre-market high. We're gonna get the first presented favorite gap and burst. get a 15-minute low, probably there. That's 92 times 2. 400 over 184. That's 2.7. Gonna sell 3. Shit. That's crazy, bro. I think it's like bullish, but check the 4H. I mean, we're still in the gap, so I'd like to see it go lower. You know, good gap there. Got a good sweep here as well. And then the inversion, so I'd like to see it shorted there. So it's 99 times 2. 100, that's 2. Come on, bro. Come on, literally, bro. It was close to this low here. It's the one that I wanted to take. This is screwed up here. Check the daily again. Why isn't the PNL reducing though? Like it's still saying 7.7k. Looks like this day was bullish. I think we could probably head higher. There's there and there. 4 hour, we're in a 4 hour gap. Some relatively equal lows, 1 hour low. The high here as well. And this low on this one here. Okay, there is not even first presented fair value gap. Actually, this one is okay. Look at how the first presented fair value gap holds. and the inversion gets put in. Well, inversion first presented fairly gap, but probably for some longs. We may stop probably somewhere around here and target this highs here. So we'll get 88 times 2, 176. This is 2.8. I didn't have to set the TP. Like, it showed me what it could do, but honestly, this is a bad condition to trade, man. The 4 has this thing here. I'd like to see reaction to the push up to this. So it's in the range. The volatility wasn't as I was expecting. So this low here and Asia lows are looking suspect. Now you can see you get that. Okay, I'm just gonna skip this day. And then the previous day ends up being bullish. A 10 funny sweep here. Got this low here. So I'd like to see it go higher. But there's some kind of SMT by the way. Then the high gets run right there. Still bullish though. I mean, price has dropped into this gap here. Come on, now look at where it is. What is wrong with the market? I mean, if I was trading NQ in April, I would have gone crazy. Now, where is the first percentage fairly gap? It's here. And in the 15-minute gap, we run this low here. So this will be 4, we'll be buying 4 of them. To target a 5 mil high probably. This is where it moved to break even. And then continue after hitting like there. Looks like it's gonna go lower because we're in the 15-minute gap. And then after running this high, this high here, so looks like we're bullish. This 4 hours holding. Now price has already started soaring high. I haven't had a liquidity run. Taking the 15, I mean this will be really good in my opinion. That's 3. But then the thing is that those gaps there could hold, which is the worst thing that could happen. Let's see. It doesn't even hit take profit. Ugh. I wonder how people trade. Oh, trading this time or living. No, the 4 hour could potentially show us some bearish movement like this. Now here is the first presented gap. Alright. It's rejecting this thing here. There's relatively close here. It's Thursday, bro. This day is crazy. Like to see bullish continuation. I'd like to see move to the upside. This over here. Remember that this is the first presented fair value gap, should be closed by the trigger now. If it continues higher. Okay, this is not looking really good. This thing doesn't look like it wants to go up. Okay. a 15-minute candle opening. But why would we head higher after all of this? After all of this, why would we head higher? Just gonna let this pass. Ooh, this was really good though. Okay, we just let this pass. I think we're probably heading to some daily lows. So this is a 15-minute retracement into a gap. Now I'm used to the open. So this high here, run. Yikes. Inversion here. Let's take it 1.15 here. But right here I'm gonna go to break even because bro. 100, 114, that's hopeful. This is a break even because I won't get stopped out there or close it here. Ooh. Bro, I should not move to break even really quick. I think I'm fast at moving to break even. And then we also hit this. Bro, I should aim for the big fruits here because this is the only opportunity we get. This will be 1.5k, 150. Oh, come on. Bruh, insane. Now, where is it at now? Ooh. Birthday there. Like to see bullish mode, by the way. Retracement good one and an SMT. Stop right there. And why would I target here? Close to this is it an end dog of the week? And the reason I took long was because I think the problem is we're too bullish. It's ended off a 5-minute retracement, and then when you check the 2-minute, you can see good inversion. So let's see what happens. Should be 1 hour. Let's just wait and see. Come on, bro. See, if I had moved to break even, I would have got killed. And let's see, does it reach the high before 12? Yeah, it does. So let's show the executions. Entry here. Oh, this is still March executions. Okay, now the day has set out bullish. Got some bullish move going on. No, there's no 1 hour gap anywhere close. Except here and here. Oh, we're also in a 15-minute gap, so we have minor buy side as well. Okay, then price runs that high, then drops, then runs high like crazy. And check the 1 hour, bro. We were pretty close to this high here, so there's some kind of SMT. Okay, now we get a retrace. Okay, it's a 10. It's a 10. I'd like to see drop inversion. Some reason to enter long. again has run this low, and there is a small gap here, 550, another one here. Now I would like to take a buy here, stop there, targeting data highs. I like to get the full high though. I think I'll close when we reach here actually. If we happen to. That's 72 times 2. 400 over 144. 3. That's 3. Let's see what happens. And take profit gets hit right there. I think we could pretty much reach this high here, and it starts to lament all around. You can see this high was a good draw, 1-to-1, real quick. No, I think this thing could still be bullish. And we target this daily high here. Checking the 4-hour, yeah. This will be the target. And good for a gap holding. Now this high here is okay, because it's a fair enough value gap. Now I have another 1 hour gap here. We'll probably run lower than push higher. Okay, 1 hour gap gets tucked in right there at the open. No significant retracement that we could enter from. Okay, it's a retracement into a 5-minute gap here. So now here I can enter if this gap gets inversed. And then there gets inversed. 5-minute at a block. Right there. This 1 hour high, is it a daily high or something like that? Like to see it get hit. This is 51, so 51 times 2, that's 102, so that's 100 over 5 minus 5. And take profit gets hit right there. And the 1 hour, I mean, it's okay there. Bro, this thing works like magic if you let it work. And look at how ES is far. Bro, I hate the way it took an ES trade today and ES is forming an SMT. So dumb. Now for the previous day was even more bullish than I thought. Price was really slow, but Let's see, end up hitting the full targets now. We're checking the 4 hour gap, new buy side target. And yeah, that's pretty much it. One hour fair value gap that could make us go, could make price go lower. Why am I saying us? Data highs, oh, not data highs, something at 9. Now we hit the gap right there at the open. If you can get an inversion, then I'll take some sells. But looks like there won't be none. Two-minute inversion, 1 minute is not a valid inversion that I will take a trade from. This will be the target. 47 times 2, that's 94. 5 over 94 is 5. Why isn't it selling? Or sitting waiting for the order that doesn't want to get filled. So there, TP here. I feel like could happen. Happens. Right. Just meant to this gap here. There's some kind of inversion there. Right, 15-minute gap there, and then the inversion. Well, I think it's within a 5-minute gap though. That's the problem. 15-minute is okay. 5-minute, it's a gap. But if we execute by the rules, I mean, it's okay. And here we don't have any close targets except for that one there. And I think we can probably target Asia's projections. So we've got Asia lows waiting here. This one will be okay. That's 3. I can make it even more, I think. Will it hit there? I don't know. Let me just get my piece of the pie and then, oh come on, don't tell me you're gonna do this. This was the 3rd standard deviation. Wait, it's actually not even the 3rd. It's close to the 3rd. But why will they do this? This is not even a 1-to-1. Yeah. Okay. So if would you close pressures in a 1-to-1? Go 15 on the high. Okay, crazy consolidation. Now I check the 5 and the 15. I mean, the 15 is looking crazier. With the 5, this gap will be a definite target. A small 1-to-1, honestly, will be okay. Let's accept the fact that we suck, bro. These were the worst market conditions so far. Daily low close to a gap. Now the 1 hour is open, wait high. SMT here. It's probably the same thing as a sweep. And got this 15 minute gap that's holding an ES. And then get a good inversion on the 1 minute. That's 6 handles. Yay, TP. Crazy. Crazy. How does this look like? %50% win rate, bro. Sweep here. Now markets are heading lower like crazy. I don't know what happened here. Probably some news. Personal income stuff. I'd like to see continuation to the downside then. Well, these lows are obviously suspect, and on the daily, I think they're the only thing that we have. I think we could take a long here for this inversion of the sweep here and beep there. I mean, we're in daily gap, lows has been hit. I don't know why I'm anticipating this thing to move higher. This sort of block probably at 60, 500 over 124. Yay! They're taking out those highs. Yeah, so I think we're done for this. let's check out how this session is looking like. Right, so I think we'll be done with this session. I think so far it's looking good and okay. Alright, so till next time, stay blessed, and until next time, peace.